If you're trying to buy your first home right now and it feels, well, impossible, like no matter how much you earn, no matter how much you save, you're still miles away. Listen, you're not alone. But what I will say is this. Most first-time buyers don't actually need some massive pay rise or some miracle deposit. All they need are a few changes. Now, they may be uncomfortable, but they do help. So I'm going to give you 6 things that honestly I've seen make the biggest difference. So number 1, and this really is the one that everybody hates, moving back in with your parents. Now, I get it. It feels like a step backwards. You feel like you're losing your independence and you feel like you're going back to being 18 again. But if it saves you, say, £1,000 a month in rent, that's not a backward step. That's you basically pressing fast forward on your deposit. Because instead of paying somebody else's mortgage, you're building your own future. Now, number 2, automate your savings. And I mean literally on payday. Because if you wait until the end of the month and think, I'll just save what's left, there's never anything left. So just set it up so the money moves straight away into a deposit pot, emergency fund, whatever it is, and just pretend it doesn't exist. Now, the third one, and probably a few of you are going to roll your eyes at this one, meal deals and daily coffees. Now, I'm not saying never have a coffee again. And I'm not saying live like a monk, but if you're spending 7, 8, 9, £10 a day without even thinking about it, it adds up ridiculously fast. And the thing is, everyone at work does it, don't they? But the real question is, are they trying to buy their first house? Now, I know it's difficult, so if you can't cut it out completely, that's fine. Just make it a once a week treat. The rest of the time, just bring your food and coffee from home. Now, the fourth one, which links in with the first one. If you're renting and you can't move back in with your parents, then you might need to start making buying a priority for a couple of years. Now, what I mean by that is, could you move somewhere cheaper, even temporarily? Because if you can drop your rent by £300 a month, that's £3,600 a year. And over 2 years, that's proper deposit money. Moving on to the fifth one, and this is a big one, car finance. If you've got a car on PCP, HP, lease, whatever it might be, seriously ask yourself, do you need that car right now? Because it's not just stopping you saving for a deposit. It's actually reducing your mortgage affordability. And that's the bit that people forget. Even dropping your payment by a couple of £100 a month can make a massive difference to what a lender will offer you. And while you're at it, if you've got other debts like credit cards and loans, sometimes restructuring them, consolidating them, reducing the monthly payments, those things can massively improve affordability. Now, in an ideal world, yes, you'd be paying everything off. But if your priority is getting onto the ladder, reducing monthly commitments is one of the quickest ways to improve your options. And lastly, number 6, don't overstretch yourself. Just because a lender says you can borrow £400,000, it doesn't mean you should. You don't need to buy your dream forever home on your first purchase. Sometimes the smartest move is just getting onto the property ladder with something sensible and keeping a bit of breathing space. Especially if rates change, bills go up, or life throws you a curveball. So, those are the 6 changes. And I'm not saying they're easy, but I am saying they work. So if you're trying to buy your first home this year, pick one of them and start straight away. And if you want, drop me a message and I'll run the numbers properly for you and I'll tell you exactly what's realistic for you based on lender affordability.